Sembut midang ba ka jalaw ba Presiden Tinsong haka prantrek pralengkot la pentep ba ka jinglong jingman hambai dei bat ka kelam COVID-19 kala khamba ba ni nujor bat kibanai baladep. Uba Tinsong ulo ongru ba sungus kham ba ka jala shen kan salaj no na ka ni kelam COVID-19.
We had a review meeting because I think almost over a month we didn't have a review meeting. So I'm happy to inform that we improved a lot as far as positive cases is concerned, and we have reduced a lot, and I'm sure within maybe few days again will become zero also. We expect that we will become zero, means free COVID in our state very soon. And number two, we have asked our Chief Secretary to again work out for the relaxation of those notification we issued from time to time, be it the transportation, be it the testing, be it any issues relating to the interests of our people in the state. So we have asked, and I'm sure by next week we will sit down again, and then we will accordingly take a call where are the area where relaxation is required to be done. Let me just tell you, in the month of December alone, we did the testing beyond 50,000. Okay, beyond 50,000. So this month alone, means January, this month alone, we have crossed 35,000 testing, which means that the testing is in full swing. That's what I'm telling you. The gradient shows that maybe within no time will become COVID-19 free state. That also we reviewed not less than 60% vaccination was undertaken, and the balance maybe another 2 or 3 weeks will be able to complete it. Because right now the first phase is about the frontline workers of health and of health department. Whoever are in this category, they are supposed to get the vaccine. So far we don't have any complaint, any reaction of that vaccine, or nothing of that sort. We don't have anything like that.